How to view recently watched reels on Instagram. So for this, all you have to do is go ahead and open Instagram application and select the reel section. Now if you have saved the reel, you will easily find it in the saved section. If you have not saved it, don't worry because you might have liked or commented on the reel. So for an example, let me go ahead and like this reel and then comment in this one. Now, what we will do next is we will head back from our reel section. Then we will tap on our profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the three line icon at the top. From here, tap on your activity. Tap on the likes section. And here you will find all of the reels that you have liked. Now, to check the reels that you have commented, you can head back from there and tap on comments. So right here, if you tap on this reel right here, you will find your comment as well as the respective reel. Now, once you have done this, let's go ahead and try another method. Tap on tags. Here you will find all of the reels or posts that you have recently been tagged. If not, you can scroll down. From here, you can go to reel section and you will find the reels that you have shared with your friends. If not, you can again scroll down. Now tap on link history. Now if there was any of the reel that had link and you have tapped on it, you would probably find it there. So go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for watching.